Hey everyone, happy day! So I finally have my FabFitFun box that I received in the mail. This is what the fall box looks like, fall 2019. I am in bed. I have Kato here to my right and I have Earl to my left, and we are going to open this box in bed. So today's video is going to be very casual. I'm just sitting here in bed, like I said, and I didn't really want to be in front of the camera and set everything up. And I was really excited to open this box, which is why you are getting it in a janky form. Just kidding. I am just going to hand hold the camera and hopefully it's not too shaky for you guys. If you guys are interested and have not ordered a box from FabFitFun, I do have an affiliated link down below in the description bar. It will save you $10 off your first box. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service, so you get it every new season. So spring, summer, fall, winter. It's $49.99 a box, and I really love it. Honestly, it's been my favorite subscription service that I've tried. You get over $200 worth of full-size products. Super amazing. Yada, yada, yada. Y'all know. And hopefully I don't talk myself into a coughing fit because I am still getting over. I'm not sick, but like, here we go. But I like can't get rid of this cough that I've had for close to 3 weeks now. So anyway, let's get into the box. So it looks like it says on the front City of Hope, so I'm guessing they helped sponsor this box. When we open it up, it has, oh, now look who's excited. What is it, buddy? Huh? What is it? Okay, so it says FabFitFun and it has pictures of women doing a bunch of different activities. The front has Meghan Trainor. So somebody got a little sticker happy. It's not as nice looking as it normally is, but that's okay. What does this say? Just FabFitFun, shared to win. Alright, we're just diving in, I guess. Alright, and let's do an overview. Alright, so the first thing I see here is this mini eye essentials. So it looks like, I'm guessing they're just crayons. What? Okay, so you get a mini brow pencil, a mini shadow crayon, two mini shadow crayons, and a mini eye pencil. Oh, so you can do a whole eye look with just these 4. That's pretty cool. We'll have to try that out. What? Okay, so it looks like a little crayon. How do you say it, you guys? Crayon? I don't know. I call it a crayon. So once you pull the top off, it looks like the pencil here. And then once you pull it off, you have a little twist up round guy like so. So that's pretty cool. Ooh, we have some bobble bar earrings, or I don't freaking know what they're called. Come on, camera, get with the time. Those are cute. So they're ear crawlers. That's pretty fun. I don't think it's something I would wear, but that's really cute. Freaks me. The next thing we have is exfoliating sugar cubes. And this is, it says juice cleanse. What? Okay, so I'm guessing they're like sugar scrubs for your body, but in cube form. Those are pretty cool. Kato's attacking. What are you doing? Alright, and the next thing is called Wander Beauty. Baggage claim gold. Ooh, gold eye masks. Fun. So I wonder how many get in here. 6. Oh my gosh. I love when I get face masks and eye masks. So the next item I have are detox pads. Why is my camera not focusing? Can you focus? My goodness. Okay, detox pads. Complexion perfecting pads. Okay, this sounds interesting. I'm gonna have to give that a try and I'll let you guys know what I think of it. Right, and the next item is it's an Aveda product, Damage Remedy, Daily Hair Repair. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this, Aveda. Let's see if it smells good. I hope it doesn't have like a thingy on it. Trying to do this one-handed, you guys, is not the easiest. Okay, hold on. It smells like an Aveda product. I don't know what it is, but they have like that unique scent about them that you can always tell sorry, I'm showing you my hot mess back there. That you can always like tell. They just have that really like herbally fresh scent. I don't know how to describe it. Okay, and then the next item I have is Humankind Skincare. So it is called, it's a body soleil, cream soleil, blah, 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 natural, vegan and cruelty free. That's cool. What scent are you? It does not say, and of course it's sealed. I just put some on my arm. It's a very nice, clean, fresh, cucumber-y type scent. I really like it actually, so that's pretty cool. And it's all natural. Alrighty, and the last product I see is a Murad product. They have it all super packaged up for people with two hands. Hold on. We can do it. We're almost there. I love Murad, you guys. Hold on. Oh, I love Murad. This is the Renewing Eye Cream. Okay, hello. I'm excited for that. I love getting skincare stuff. Murad is the Murad is the brand of stuff that I use for my acne treatment. So anything else added in from the same brand is great. So I'm really excited for that. And I think that looks to be everything in my box. So let me move all this and let's go over the products again. Alright, so these are the products I got again. Of course, I'm going to pick some out like I always do. I like to add it to a bin and then do a giveaway of a bunch of different items. So I'm only going to keep a few and then the rest will go in the giveaway bin. But real quick, I also like to go through my little magazine and see what I got, add up the total, and go from there. So this box is pretty good. I wouldn't say it's the best box I've ever got. Oh, you can't see the earrings. There we go. But yeah, I'm pretty excited definitely for some of these items. I know for sure I'll use the gold masks. So I'm going to keep that. I'm going to keep this because I already opened it. And then I want to keep this because I know I will use this. And same with anything to help damage hair. So I know for sure I'll use these four, and then those four I will definitely think about and see what I want to keep. But let's look at this magazine. So Meghan Trainor is on the front, and I honestly just really like to go to the box, or what's in the box. So okay, so everything added up came to $258. Like I said, I paid $49.99 for this box. So this is a hell of a deal. Even with me giving away a lot of these items, I'm still going to make out ahead. So I'm really happy with this. And I can't wait to use some of these items and let you guys know. Especially this face mask. This is cool. I'm going to have to do a look with this too. I think I'm going to keep this one too. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.